1.1. Backup data. Back up all important data on the server to prevent data loss in case anything goes wrong during the update. 1.2. Download the BIOS update. Visit the HPE website and download the latest BIOS update for your server model. Make sure you have the correct version. Step 2. Pre-upgrade checks. 2.1. Read release notes. Review the release notes or documentation provided with the BIOS update. It may contain important information, such as specific prerequisites or known issues. 2.2. Server health. Ensure the server is in good health. Check for any hardware issues or errors in the Integrated Management Log, IML. Step 3. Applying the BIOS update. 3.1. Access ILO. Connect to the server's Integrated Lights Out (ILO) interface using a web browser or SSH. You'll need administrator credentials. 3.2. Upload the BIOS update. In the ILO interface, find the section for firmware updates. Upload the BIOS update file you downloaded in step 1.2. 3.3. Initiate the update. Start the BIOS update process from the ILO interface. The server will typically need to be rebooted during the process. Step 4. BIOS update process. 4.1. Follow on-screen prompts. During the BIOS update process, follow any on-screen prompts or instructions provided by the ILO interface. 4.2. Do not interrupt. Do not interrupt the server or the update process. It's crucial to allow it to complete without disruptions. Step 5. Post-upgrade verification. 5.1. Confirm BIOS version. After the server reboots, log in to the ILO interface again and check the BIOS version to ensure it has been updated to the desired version. 5.2. Test server. Perform basic functionality tests on the server to ensure that it's working as expected. Step 6. Finalize and document. 6.1. Documentation. Document the BIOS update, including the date, version, and any relevant notes. 6.2. Regular maintenance. Schedule regular maintenance and updates to keep your server's firmware current.